Santosham. Today we are going to do Take 5 Breaths Pranayama practice. It is a simple, calming breathing exercise that can be practiced anywhere, anytime by anyone. It is also a highly recommended for kids because it will calm them immediately. Please watch me once. I will show you how you should inhale and exhale while you practice this technique. You should breathe slowly and quietly and should not give too much pressure on your breathing. Sit on your chair or yoga mat. If it is possible, cross your legs. Close your eyes. Make a fist in your right hand with your thumb inside and bring it beside the head. Inhale, straighten the finger from the little finger to the thumb during the count of 1 to 5. Exhale, bend the finger from thumb to little finger from the count of 6 to 10. This is 1 round. Let us practice 6 more rounds now. Practice it with me so you'll know exactly how to practice. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower the hand and breathe 3 times through both nostrils together. Feel the calm and relaxation. I hope you have learned this technique. Each round will take about 6 to 8 seconds for kids. It is a perfect practice for them. Adults can spend about 1 second for each count, so for each round, it will take about 10 seconds. It is a really simple technique. Practice it and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching. Santosham.